Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to open Microsoft Excel sheet in your Android phone. At first you have to download Microsoft Excel app in your phone. So open up your Google Play Store and then go to search bar and then type Excel. That's it. Then just tap on install and give it a moment. And the download is complete. Now just go to app screen and open up Excel. Then just tap on allow. And you can see it's configuring Excel. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. And that's it. Now Excel is ready for use. At first you have to connect your Microsoft account, and after logging your account you can find your all the Excel sheet here. Now if you want to open this file, just tap here, then just tap on got it, and that's it. And that way you can easily open Excel sheet in your Android phone. Now if you go back, if you want to create a new blank document, just tap on this plus icon and then tap on blank workbook, and here it is. Now from here you can make Excel sheet, and that's it. And that is how you can Microsoft Excel sheet in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.